So some of you probably remember this video, others probably not. I fixed something on this Dragline excavator, and I fixed something on the brake drum that reels the cable in. And I always get these comments occasionally like, oh, however you do this shit is not gonna hold, and how do we know this didn't break like a week later? And well, I guess you don't. There's a lot of guys on YouTube that just weld something and when they're done it goes in the scrap bin. There's a lot of people that weld on something like the size of the business card and show you how nice they can walk the cup on TIG. And then others that weld something, it goes in the scrap bin afterwards, so you never hear anything about it. So I'm trying to get to the point where I can give you guys updates occasionally on what's actually happening, how is stuff holding up, what is the customer doing. So on this one here, I got lucky enough, after more than 6 months of use, the customer called me and left a voicemail, and I called the customer back and said, hey, do you think it's okay if I use this in a video? I'm gonna make a quick update here. So I'm gonna play you this voicemail back. The customer is very satisfied, used it since then, it held up great. He pulled some big rocks out of it too. And I'm gonna put the link for the video in the description, like the whole thing, if you want to see how it was done and what I did. And enjoy.
Hey Peter, this is Scott out of Woodstock. You had welded up a piece on the Dragline for us last fall, and I just wanted to call and let you know that that thing is holding up good. You did an awesome job. I'm very happy with it. I've been running the machine for a while now, and no issues with it. I just checked it the other day, so I just wanted to let you know. Awesome job. So keep up the good work. You have a good day. Bye.
So and then people ask, how come you don't do this? How come you don't do this? How come you don't test this welding machine or that welding machine? Or why don't you show videos of the stuff that I want to see? Here's how it really works, guys. I explained this numerous times. I have a real welding business. I make money welding for a living. And this is what puts food on my table. This is what puts gas in my tank. And I'm going to show you here how much money I made off of YouTube. So this video here made me all of $36.15 when I made it the first time. And this is basically nothing. This doesn't even cover my fuel cost to go back there and fly the drone over the gravel quarry one more time and interview the guys and show you guys how great this is and make another video. So I mean, if you want to know how stuff holds up, I'm going to try to implement some of those update videos. And if you like them, great. If you don't like them, you don't. If you want to see the original video, I'm going to put a link, a full link in the description of the video where you can see the original video and see how I fixed it and what I did and how it all worked out. Thanks for watching.